Imagine trying to navigate an unknown city without a map, or cooking a new meal without a recipe. Might be a bit of a challenge, right? As a matter of fact, without a plan you will very likely end up in chaos. This is all the more true for your finances. If you like it or not, decisions about money will accompany you till the end of your life. So why not enjoy the ride while it lasts and create a financial plan? All it takes are 3 steps. Assess your current situation, set your goals, and map out a path between the two. To assess your current situation, you need to answer 4 questions. What assets do you own? Examples would be your house or portfolio. What liabilities do you have? This could be your mortgage or credit card debt. What are your monthly incomes? This might be your salary or money from a side hustle. And what are your monthly expenses? Examples would be money spent on groceries or utilities. Via these 4 things, you can calculate 2 data points. Your net worth, it's all your assets minus all your liabilities and tells you your true wealth. And your net income. It's all your incomes minus all your expenses and tells you if you're a net saver or a net borrower. To set your goals, ask yourself, what do I want my life to look like in 5, 10 and 20 years? For example, you might want to have kids, be debt-free or retire early. To map out a path to your goals, you need to think about how to manage your incomes, expenses, assets and liabilities. For example, it might be necessary to lower your expenses to save more or change your asset mix to earn higher returns. And remember, a financial plan is a living document. Revisit it at least once a year or whenever your situation changes. Start today, get your finances on track and take control of your future.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
This has been Financial Planning in 100 seconds. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.